President Trump issued an order on Thursday imposing 100% tariffs on branded or patented pharmaceutical products coming into the US. The exception that he announced would be if a company is building a pharmaceutical manufacturing plant in America. The other exception, not announced, would appear to be that generic medicines are an exception, and that exception would appear to be the case given the language of the announced order that covers branded and patented drugs, and this difference could make all the difference to Indian pharmaceutical exports to the US. Pharmaceuticals have been exempted already from Trump's tariffs on India. Last year, India exported about $22 billion worth of pharmaceuticals to the US, and of that, generics comprised as much as about 83%. So if that exemption stands, then the bulk of exports to the US would continue to be spared even these new tariffs now. The exemption would be for a reason, and that reason is not India. The US relies heavily on these generic Indian exports to keep its medical system supplied and affordable. Any abrupt increase in that cost would hurt patients. Consequently, it would hurt the image of the Trump administration, and Trump is not headed that way in a hurry, which is incidentally good for India. Indian companies supply almost half of all generic drugs consumed in the US market. An exemption for India's generic pharma exports would save the exports from India, of course, but also save really the US health system.
Been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the they're doing.